Hi guys, it's Period Details Retail. Alright, we're working on the plow. First thing I did was took a little PB blaster to all the screws because we're I'm going to start by removing the rubber off the top of the plow. So that is the first thing on the agenda. I looked up on YouTube to see if there was any videos on this, and there isn't, so I figured I might document some of it. We might do time lapse because I don't know how easy this is going to be, so stay tuned. We'll see what goes on. And I don't have any, this is the best part, it's actually standard. And I don't have any standard impacts, so it's 3/8 for the bolts that hold on the rubber. So I don't have an impact for that. Well, that one's actually bigger, but these here are 3/8, and this is gonna be bigger too. All right, so let me get this figured out. I need some wrenches. Be right back. Hey guys, first thing I did is broke the screw, the bolt, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna have a little drilling. So that's okay because we gotta take the whole thing apart anyways. But yep, that's the first thing. Not in a minute, boom, and I broke it. All right guys, here we go. We broke another one right off the bat. I can see where this is all going. It's going to be break. They're so rusted. This is 7/16. So I'm sure this one's going to snap too. Just like that. That fast. Bam. And it's stuck in my socket, so there isn't much left to it. You can see there's like very little bolt left, so that's what we got. So now we're going to try one of these and see if one of these will do it. So be ready. Here we go. Let's do this one first. I don't have any, like I said, impacts that for that size, so just using standard Craftsman. So yeah, here we go. Broke. There it is. We're on a roll. 3 for 3. Maybe I'll try something not an impact. See if that will work. That seems like a lot of work though. Let's do one more. We'll break one more. Then I'll try the socket or the ratchet. Yep. Just like that. We're on a roll, baby. We're gonna break every one of them. Alright guys, so this one I'm going to explain to you a little bit about this here. This is what you would call rust jacking, where the metal actually separates from its original form. So that's the reason why it lifts like this. And the more it lifts, the more space it's got for more stuff to get between it. So that's what that's about. Alright guys, now that I got the rubber off, you guys can really see how bent the wing is, the board, and whatever you want to call it. I think the boss calls it the board. I call it a wing because it's kind of like a wing to me. So right about past here, right where this hole is where it bends that way. So whatever hit the bottom twisted the wing board. And I just noticed this. So okay, you look at this side, the shoe mount is pretty straight. You know, it's straight to the ground. Now you look at this side, the side that's bent, this one's kicking up to the sky at an angle. So if you see that, there's a bend in it. It helps you guys see that there's a bend in that side. I believe this comes out. The wall was already broke already, so I think we got to pull that out, separate our two halves, loosen the springs, and of course I got to take off the sides to the rams, and then this thing should be apart, I believe. So that will be coming up shortly. There was no YouTube video on this of disassembling a V-plow before, so I really had nothing to base it on, and I never did it before. Yeah, so we're learning. Hopefully, if you guys run into the same situation, I can shed a little light on the situation that you have. I took off my edge markers. Those are going to be in the garbage. I'm probably going to be looking for replacement lights too for it. These are Peterson's. I'd probably go with some kind of LED or something other than this. So yeah, we're gonna give her a paint job and have her looking spiffy. So stay tuned, guys. It's happening.